Hey kids, how are you? Welcome back. Today we are going to learn about pronoun. But first, you have to tell me what is noun.
Noun is a name of a person, place, animal, and thing.
Well done. Great job. Can you give me some example of noun, please?
Yes, of course, I know them all. Examples of name are mother, Maryam, Neha, Harun, boy, girl, etc. Examples of place are hospital, India, park, Pakistan, school, etc. Examples of animals are parrot, wolf, whale, cat, dog, horse, fish, etc. Examples of things are fan, keys, table, box, pen, copy, etc.
You were so good. Brilliant.
Thank you.
Do you know pronoun?
No, I don't know pronoun. Can you tell me?
For sure. Let's start. Pronoun. Pronoun takes the place of noun. We use pronoun instead of using noun again and again. Examples of pronoun singular: I, you, she, he, and we use it for both things and animals. Example of pronoun plural: we, they, you. Here we used you as a plural. You is used for both, for a singular also, for a plural also. How we use for a plural? For example, the teacher in the class cannot be able to call out the names of every student. So if you did something very nicely and if you did your test very good, so how teacher said to you? How she will tell what you have done? When she will enter in the class, she say, kids, you have done the great test. You have done the neat work. It means that all the students in the class are mentioned. Not only one, not only two, not only three. Okay? Now look at the examples here. In these examples, we changed noun as a pronoun. The boy is playing with a ball. Boy. Boy is a noun. We changed boy to he. He is playing with a ball. Next, Miss Sarah is a teacher. Sarah is a noun. She is a teacher. Now look at the first picture and sentence. In the first picture, the boy is pointing out the girl. And what is he saying? You look good in the pink shirt. She's talking to the girl and saying that you look good in the pink shirt. Next picture. What you see in the next picture? Hen. Yes, and eggs. Hen gives us eggs. What we use for hen? It. Correct. Very nice. It gives us eggs. It gives us eggs and meat also. Here I just only use eggs. It gives us egg. Next picture. The glass is broken. What is a noun? Glass. And what we use? It is a thing. What we use? It. It is broken. Well done. Now, see the picture. Look at the picture. What the boy is pointing out? He is pointing out himself. And he looks happy. And what he's saying? I am very smart and happy. Okay? When you talk about yourself, you have to say I'm good. I'm sick. I'm unhappy. I'm not well today. I'm not in a mood to go outside. I don't want to work today. I don't want to do my homework today. Okay, now see the next picture. This is a classroom. And what the teacher is saying, all of you are my best student. So the teacher is pointing all the students. So how would she say that? All of you are my best students. Okay? See the next picture, please. See the first picture. In this picture, kids are holding their hands and they're saying, we are best friends. They're talking about themselves. They're saying, we are best friends. So we is a pronoun. Now come to the last picture. In the last picture, the boy is saying something. What he's saying? They are my grandparents. They are my grandparents. Here, they used as a pronoun. Thank you. Now let's start the game. Okay, here we have some pictures and below we have some pronouns. Okay, see the pronoun and according to that we have to select which picture fits there or which picture shows the correct pronoun. So the first one, which picture is this? It belongs to she, he, they. Put it correct. Yes. See the next picture. Is it you? Yes, because the boy pointing the girl. See the next picture. Aha, I know. She. Ooh, no, this is not she. Aha, this is we. I'm good. Which picture is this? He? It is she. It's a cat. What we use for cat? It, I know. Yes. It's a boy. What we use for boy? He. Well done. Let's see. Oh, I did a great job.
There is another game in the description box. To play the game, go in the description box, click this link over here. To unlock the game, you must subscribe. I have subscribed. And you must like. I have also liked the video. And now I can play the game. Enjoy. Bye bye.